Hi, I'm Marisa. Welcome to Montasaurus Park, and today you're going to be learning about crossing the Red Sea. You will all learn that you can trust Jesus to save you. And today's memory verse is going to be, "For by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not your own doing, it is the gift of God." Ephesians 2:8. And then today's craft, you're going to make a dinosaur fossil. And for the recipe, you're going to need whole wheat flour, salt, warm water, measuring cups, a bowl, a spoon, and a little dinosaur figurine to make the imprint on the dough. And I'm going to be cutting the recipe in half because there's only one of me, but our recipes are going to be a little different. So I'm going to be taking 1 cup of flour, but traditionally you're going to be using 2 cups of flour. And then you're also going to be taking half a cup of salt, or I'm going to be taking a half cup of salt, and then you will use 1 whole cup of salt. And then I will be using 1/4 cup water while you use 1/2 cup water. And then it's going to take some time to mix. You just got to be patient. And then you can add more water if need be, if it's too dry, but you want to get it like a nice consistency like this. And then you're going to swish it around in your hands, get a decent amount, enough to make a circle and fit your dinosaur. Then you're going to pat it down. And then you're going to take your dinosaur and then press down. And then you have made your dinosaur fossil.